I'll be rating all these cars you see on their reliability, how long they can last, how good are these cars, and how good are the engines. Let's get into it. First up, we have this 2021 Dodge Challenger. I'm a big fan of these cars, and believe it or not, they can be pretty reliable. So let's pop the hood and talk about the Dodge Challenger. So this puppy is equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. This is not the V8 version, this is the V6, which in my opinion is a little bit more reliable, and you're still getting pretty good speed. Now compare this to like a Toyota Corolla or a Honda Civic. Obviously it's not as reliable as those cars, but for what this car is, being a sports car, very heavy, beefy sports car, is pretty reliable. With proper maintenance, I'm very confident you can get over 200,000 miles out of this puppy, if not way more. If you're really on top of the engine, you really take care of it, and you don't mash the gas pedal. Next up, we have a Lexus Is460. This is the V8 version in this Lexus, and you guys might be thinking, a V8? There's no way it's reliable. Guys, this car is reliable. Now, this is the 2010 model of this Is460, and Lexus really did a good job designing this car. It's very comfortable and very fast. If you're looking for a reliable, maybe $10,000 sedan that's really luxury, really fast, has a V8 engine, it's quite loud and really reliable, this is the car to get. It's so clean. Just the back of it, ignore the bird poop right there, but I mean, it's just overall really good looking sedan, and it's an all-wheel drive, so this car is the full package and affordable. Believe it or not, guys, next up we have a Dodge Charger, very similar to the Dodge Challenger. This is the V8 Charger, and it can be reliable if you really stay on top of the maintenance, you really take care of this sports car. Guys, it can really last a long time. I see this thing with miles all the time. If you're looking for a flashy car, a fast car to maybe impress a girl, your friends, whatever the case may be, and you want something that's also not going to break the bank and last a long time, the Charger and Challenger are a good option. Also, guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, like the video, comment for the algorithm to push this video out to more people, and subscribe to my channel. I'm a brand new YouTuber just climbing up this ladder and trying to make better videos. Now, next up, we probably have one of the most reliable sedans of all time. An almost perfect four-cylinder engine is this 2021 Toyota Camry. This is almost a perfect car, guys, right here. You're looking for like a roomy sedan with an extremely four-cylinder engine, and you're getting really good gas mileage, and this car is almost #1 rated for safety ever out of a sedan. This is it right here, and it looks really cool. Next up, we have a BMW X2. I get this question all the time. Rudy, are BMWs reliable? Well, I'm here to tell you they are reliable, but there's a catch. The thing about BMW, it's a German car, and the thing about German cars, you have to really stay on top of the maintenance, and if you do stay on top of the maintenance, you'll get a lot of reliable miles out of this BMW. German cars are actually really similar to Japanese cars when it comes down to reliability, but the difference is you have to stay on top of the maintenance, and if you do that, you'll get a lot of miles out of the BMW. Next up, we have the Nissan Rogue, and the Nissan Rogue has so much potential to be a really reliable, great SUV, but the issue is the transmission. Unfortunately, Nissans like 2020 and above to like the new ones are just really, the transmissions are just really bad, and really ends the reliability for me. You know, older Nissans are actually pretty decently reliable, like the old school Ultimas and Maximas can last a long time. But the newer Nissans are just not reliable, quite garbage in my book, and hopefully they fix that. You know, maybe they'll make a comeback soon, but right now, not reliable. Now we have a Volkswagen Jetta. A lot of people ask me about the Volkswagens. You know, there's a lot of mixed opinions on the Volkswagen, but for the most part, Volkswagen is not so reliable. Don't get me wrong, they have potential to be reliable, but you really got to stay on top of this engine if you want to get over 150 miles out of a Volkswagen Jetta. Now we have a 2006 Toyota 4Runner. If you know ball, if you know cars, you can definitely say in the comments how reliable this vehicle is with the V6 engine. Let me put it to you like this. The body of this 4Runner would rust out far before this engine would go out. So that should tell you something about the 2006 4Runner.